Meaning of gubernatorial.
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 Gubernatorial. The term gubernatorial refers to anything related to the role of a governor. It is an adjective that describes someone or something associated with the governor's office or duties. The word can be used to describe a range of activities related to governance at the state level, including executive decision-making, legislative initiatives, and political campaigns. People who are interested in politics and government often use the term gubernatorial to describe news stories, debates, and elections related to state-level politics. Overall, gubernatorial is a useful term for discussing the complex world of state-level governance and politics.